It's your boy Double 89 Skills, and welcome back to another Road to Foot Champions RTG edition. I saw people in the comments down below like, hey Skills, you gotta take RTG out of the title. It's not an RTG. It is a RTG. It's a rich man to glory, but I did take RTG out the title. I'm not gonna take RTG out the thumbnail because I still want people to know that it's not the original Poor Man Road to Glory. That's coming soon, but this is a RTG where you get to follow the account and we invest in players together. We do squad builds together, and I show you everything I do on this account. So I want that to still be a thing. Road to Glory just means our glory is top 100 foot champions. It's our Road to Glory, our Road to Foot Champions RTG. That's what it's always been. So I'm gonna keep it with that. And once the Poor Man Road to Glory comes, you guys will know. I promise it. It's coming soon. I know all the YouTubers on YouTube are doing something different. No one's really doing the original Road to Glory. There's a few guys, but not many. But I promise you, the original Road to Glory will be back soon. I'm done saying that in every video though, bro. So this Road to Glory is here for now. The other one's coming soon. With that being said, I was so close to #1 in the world. Now what you see when I finish, you're like, how the hell were you so close to #1 in the world? I was really close. At one point, I was even #1 in the world in squad battles. Before we go any further, could you smash a thumbs up? Could you give that positivity that's gonna hit me an icon, a legend? That would be sick. Can we get 6,000 likes in this video? That would be amazing. Actually, you know what? We're gonna go big, because we got 15th. Am I recording? We good. We got 15th in the world. So can we get, 16th, they dropped me. Come on, man, how you gonna drop me 1 point? Can we get 16,000 likes? I know that's a lot, but this is 16th in the world. So can we get 16,000 likes? And I know you're probably like, Skills, 16 and 1 is a big difference. It's a difference of like 2,000. And I messed up, bros. A few times this week, I got, I 4-2, like, so in squad battles, this is what I'm gonna do. After I open up the packs, I am gonna put gameplay and I'm gonna speak it. Like, I'm sick of showing you rewards. I'm gonna show you guys how to do what I'm doing to get top 100 in squad battles. I'm gonna show you exactly how to beat the computer on Legendary. I'm gonna show you a full game, show you all my tips, give you all my tactics, tell you exactly what I'm doing to beat Legendary computer 5-0, because you have to 5-0 them. I 4-2'd them a couple times, and that's what cost us top 100, but we get 75,000 coins. 75,000 coins, bros, and we get 2 packs. Also, we have 2 other packs. This is our from pre-ordering the game. So we get the two rare player packs, the jumbo rare player pack, and then these 2 are from pre-ordering the game. So let's go ahead. I'm just keep looking over because I want to make sure I'm recording. Let's go ahead and do the pack opening part, and then we're gonna jump into the gameplay. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get top 100 on squad builders, squad battles, because that's what this Road to Glory is all about. That's what all of my Road to Glory is about. Whether we're investing money or whether we're not investing money, my Road to Glories are about showing people how to get their best finish out of their team, how to try to perform if you're a decent player or not even a decent player and you just want to do better. That's what my Road to Glory is about. It's never, you know, I'm never that guy that's gonna save you a lot of coins. I'm never that guy that's gonna make you a bunch of coins. I'm not the investment type guy. I'm the type of guy that's like, yo, look, we're not the best at this game, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna figure out a way to beast and feast. That's what I am. I just try to show you guys the best way to get the best finishes, man. So again, man, if you're enjoying this series, a big thumbs up would be super appreciated. Also, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Turn your bell on so you get notifications, because sub boxes sometimes aren't working, and with the notification, you will never miss a video. We're gonna get Rudiger, the German Chelsea man, with 73 pace, which probably should sell for something. That's a little cheeky something there, I would imagine. We also get Sturridge in that pack. What are we going for? I told you, a little something, nothing too crazy. These are not our rewards, bro. This is what we get for pre-ordering the Ultimate Edition. I think any pre-order. This is just from pre-ordering the game, I think. That's not from the Ultimate Edition. I think that's from just pre-ordering the game. Now, this, ladies and gentlemen, is our rewards. 16th in the world, and we get a rare player pack, and a jumbo rare player pack. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, this is what you guys are here for. But this is not even the best part. Forget the pack openings, because I want you guys to be getting these finishes. I don't want you to be coming to my videos. Well, I do want you to keep coming to my videos. Come on, please come to my videos. But I don't want you guys to come watch me get top 100. I want you guys to get top 100. I want you guys to achieve it, because I believe in you. Because if I can do it, I know you can do it. I believe in you, bro. If nobody believes in you, your boy Skills believes in you. I want you to know that. I believe in you. That's not a walkout. I can tell because the letters, well, this is a boards, but it's not a walkout. That makes me very sad. The letters light up. Maybe I shouldn't look at the letters. I'm gonna close my eyes so I don't see it or something, I think. I don't know. It kind of annoys me when I look down there. But I believe in you guys. I know you can get better finishes. I truly believe in you guys. And I'm gonna show you today that y'all can do it, man, 100%. My trade pile is full. You gotta be, you joke, you taking the, are you actually, Can I send this all the way down to quick sell? Let's send this all the way down to quick sell. I'm getting rid of all this trash, man. We're keeping the golds. I wanted to keep these players because I was going to turn them into 2-player packs, because the 2-player packs is where it's at this year, brothers. 2-player packs, bro. That's that fire sauce, the 2-player packs. Oh, no. Bring those back up. And then let's send these all down. All these guys down there. And then we'll send these up back up. Boom. So that way, like I said, bro, the player packs is where it's at, brother. We're trying to do the 2-player packs. We'll discard all these guys. We got 3,000 coins for that. We got 2 more packs, a rare player pack and a jumbo pack. Wish me luck, baby. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Come on, boys. Give me a walkout. No walkout. Damn it, man. Yo, I'm telling you, like, the letters will go gray if you get a walkout. It's going to be Schmeichel. It's going to be the boy Schmeichel. Damn, bros. It's not happening for us, man. It's not happening. 16th in the world. I don't think it's happening for us, bros. I think our time to get something big has passed. I don't think it's happening. It's all right, bros. At least we got 16th in the world. We got 75,000 coins, which is pretty cool. Jumbo rare player pack. Here we go. This is it, man. This is it. Can you lob us a walkout? At least a walkout. Oh, we're getting a walkout. We're getting a walkout. We're getting a walkout. I seen it. It's a walkout. It's a walkout. What kind of walkout? What are we getting? Brazilian? CDM? Oh, it's no! Porque why? No, mamacita. No. Don't walk out like that. Go back, man. No. Oh, what is this? Bro, stop flexing. Fernandinho. Fernandinho. That hurts. 16th in the world is going to get us Fernandinho. It's a little bit brutal. It hurts a little bit. I'm not going to lie to y'all. It hurts. It stings a little bit. At least we made some money here. That's not bad. We made some monies. We'll take the monies and we'll run with it, baby. We will take the money. We'll run with it. We got a lot of gold cards to turn into 2-player packs and for SBCs. But besides that, bros, our rewards were pretty damn weak, unfortunately. But hopefully next time we get top 100 and the rewards are just a little bit better. But this time, not good, man. Herrera, Gamero, nothing really good there. Let's go ahead and jump into the gameplay. I'm gonna show you guys the team I'm rocking with and how you guys can beat squad battles and get top 100. So I believe this right now is the most important part of the video because I'm gonna tell you formations, tactics, and everything you need to do to get top 100. My team looks like this. I've made some pretty big upgrades. We got Alexandro, Hernandez, Varane, and Courtois. And you're gonna look at this team and say, Skills, wait a minute. If I had Cristiano Ronaldo and Aubameyang, I'd be getting top 100 too. No, listen, bros, honestly, listen to me very carefully. Last year, FIFA 18, I got top 100 with a Liga NOS team. And I'm telling you right now, not being cocky, please, you guys know I'm not a cocky person. I'm trash. I'm a terrible FIFA player. I say that openly all the time. I could do it with a Liga NOS team again. All you need is a 2-striker formation, 4-4-2, 4-1-2-1-2, anything with a 2. That's what you need. Let's break it down. We're going to do this in phases, okay? I'm playing the 4-4-2. Why? Because I got 4 midfielders. I got a left mid, a right mid to open up the game, to cross a lot against the CPU. And I got 2 strikers. I'm not really too fussed about having too many defenders. You know, you're probably like, well, Skills, what about the defensive mid? You need defensive mids. Listen, when the CPU scores on you, it's going to be a cheesy long shot, and you're not really going to be able to defend it either way. When the CPU wants to score, let me tell you what the CPU is going to do. They're going to score. There is nothing you can do to prevent them from scoring. But what you can do is go out there and get the 5 goals to make sure you guarantee yourself a top 100 finish. Listen, the way this works is finesse shots from the top of the box. That's what's important. You see Cristiano Ronaldo doing Cristiano Ronaldo type things. The thing is that Jonas can score that goal. Batu can score that goal. Higuain can score that goal. Gabriel Jesus, any player with finishing and good curve on them can score those finesse shots. They're very broken in FIFA. And more importantly, I'm not even doing timed finishing, bros, because if I was doing timed finishing, I would probably win these games 10-0. But I'm not really that good at time finishing. Look right here, bros. I'm trying to tell you, this is going to be your biggest weapon. You need this in your ammo. This is your biggest goal, the finesse shot. Once you get a little bit of room, let it fly. The legendary CPUs cannot deal with the finesse shot. And I'm not even doing time finishing. This is a regular finesse shot. Don't think that you need the time finishing. You don't need time finishing. Time finishing is going to make you better, but you don't need it. Now let me teach you how to beat this, okay? So to get top 100, you're going to want to score 5 goals. If they score on you, it's not really a big deal because if you get the 5 goals, you're going to get 2,500 points, and that's big. 2,500 points every single set is 10,000 points. 10,000 points every single set. Going to look at top 100 finish. So with that being said, 5 goals. Try not to get scored on. If you do, you're going to lose a couple points. No big deal. 10 corners, 10 shots on target. and a lot of possession. I think like 65% possession. Look at this ball I put to Aubameyang here. Right there, I actually should have scored. I put a through pass. I should have just passed it. It would have worked 100%. Anyways, I'm going to teach you how to beat them in a minute. Let me keep going about what I was saying. 4-1-2, 4-4-2. Both my strikers stay not press back line. That's not in the game no more. But, oh, yes, is it? No. It's get in behind and stay forward on my strikers. Get in behind, stay forward. On my midfielders, stay back while attacking. On my left back and my right back, stay back while attacking because I don't want them to hit me with that counter-attack cross and cheese. We don't want none of that in our lives. Right back, left back, stay back while attacking. Midfielders, probably just one of them on stay back while attacking. You don't need both of them, depending how comfortable you are defending. I do one right now, but when I wasn't comfortable defending, I did two on stay back while attacking. My two guys up front, my wingers, nothing to really have to do with them. Leave them on balance. And your two strikers, stay forward and get in behind. Now, very simple. Release the sprint button and walk at them. Look here. I am literally walking at them with Kondogbia. And then I get it with Aubameyang, and instead of sprinting at them, I turn my body nice and slow, and I take a finesse shot. They aren't going to press you until late in the game. Honestly, I'm about to show you a clip in this that's a little bit embarrassing. Y'all are probably going to laugh when you see it. Trust me, man. I'm about to show you something that you guys are going to be like, how is this in the game? But it is. See, beating the CPU is all about knowing mechanics. It's all about knowing what works. It's all about knowing what the CPU is going to do at certain times. For example, if you're winning the game at the 76th minute exactly, they are going to start to press you. And they're going to press you more than you have ever been pressed by any player online. And you're going to have to avoid by running around in circles and passing the ball around. But we're not at that point yet. Right now, we still need 5 goals. Finesse shots. Crossing is your best friend, and more importantly, just walk at them. Look at how I'm walking. I find Cristiano Ronaldo by himself. Unfortunately, Cristiano Ronaldo's offside, but usually, if I would have waited a second, he would have been onside. He would have been right in. If you get the ball and you walk directly at the center back, and you keep walking, just walk at him. Eventually, he's going to step forward, and when he does, you send the pass. Look at this. Easy. I walked at him. He stepped forward. I sent the pass. Because right when he steps forward, he's leaving gaps in the defense. Ronaldo's so open back post because one defender stepped forward, the other one had to come mark over. Boom, Ronaldo's open back post. Walk at the defense. It's going to take a little bit for you to get used to it. You're going to be nervous. You're probably going to panic. You're going to want to pass the ball because you're afraid they're going to get it. What's going to happen if they're going to get it? They're going to go down and score a goal? Who cares? You're still going to beat them. Who cares if they go down and score a goal? Look at how I'm walking. I release the sprint button. I'm walking, bros. I'm just walking. I'm walking. Yeah, I lose the ball. It is what it is. Let's get the ball back. Let's get right back. Let's not be worried about it. We got 3 goals in 27 minutes already. We got this. This is in the bag. We easily are going to get the 4 goals before halftime. So, finesse shots, crossing, and walking. The biggest one I score the most. I don't score it in this game, unfortunately, but you're going to get the ball on your right striker. You're going to walk it forward. Right when that defender takes a step towards you, brother, you're going to do the left bumper pass. And what that's going to do is that's going to trigger the 1-2. That's the right button for 1-2s, right? Am I doing? You guys know which one, the 1-2. I have to hold the controller to do it. You know the one for the 1-2s, all right? So you do the 1-2, another goal, easy corners, abusing what's broken, crossing, finesses. You're going to walk the ball forward. You're going to see your striker. This is why you're playing the 4-4-2. This is why you're playing a 2-striker formation. You're going to see your striker to the left of you. You're going to pass to him. Boom. Since you waited for that defender to take a step forward, you're probably going to be rocking a Gabriel Jesus or somebody decently paced. You're not going to be rocking, nobody's going to show up with my man, Giroud. We ain't rocking no Girouds. We ain't about that Giroud life. You're going to have a striker with decent pace. Right when that center back steps forward, boom, you pass up, you take off with this guy, you put a through pass right back into him, you're one-on-one with the keeper. That's it. Look, right here, I do it right there. Look, right there, like right there, boom, that's it. Every single time that is working. Every time. It doesn't matter if it's against PK, Godin, Maldini, Ferdinand. It doesn't matter. The center back steps forward. You send the ball. You send it back. You're in there like swimwear. You score. You got your 5 goals. For the next half, I do this. I'm not lying. This is what I do. You need 65% possession. Now, in this game, unfortunately, I didn't have the shots, but I'm not fazed by it. My thing is, I'd rather not have the 10 shots on target and beat them 5-0 than me go looking for 10 shots and they get me on the counter. So I got my 5 goals in the first half. I'm gonna run around in circles. What I'm doing here is I'm holding left bumper down. I'm holding left bumper, which is the close dribbling, the messy type dribbling, and I'm just gonna run around in circles until the 76th minute. In the 76th minute, now we gotta do this. Look at this. I'm in the 90th minute. You see they're pressing me hard. They're pressing me like you've never been pressed before. Find the open man, pass the ball around, keep it away from them. Now you're playing hot potato with your teammates. When they run up, hit right back. Courtois open if I need him, and I'm just moving the ball away. Yo, I know I'm making it look easy, but it's all about practicing. All right, your boy was struggling to beat Legendary as well, but I played it till I got it. I allowed them one shot. I pick up 2,600 points, and this is what we've done to them. The first game, we're already on track to get top 100. Bros, finesse shots, crossing, 1-2s, wait for the center back to step forward, pass it back, bang a hard shot, boom, just a hard B shot to the other, away from the